Investing in online real estate, also known as real estate crowdfunding or real estate investment platforms, offers opportunities to invest in property without the need for large capital or hands-on management. Here's how to do it. Research platforms. Explore various online retail investment platforms such as Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or Roofstock. Compare fees, investment options, track records, and user reviews to find a platform that suits your investment goals. Sign up. Create an account on your chosen platform. Provide the required personal information and complete any necessary verification steps, such as KYC checks. Browse investment opportunities. Browse through the available investment opportunities on the platform. These may include residential or commercial properties, development projects, or real estate debt investments. Analyze investments. Conduct due diligence on potential investments. Review property details, financial projections, historical performance, and associated risks provided by the platform. Invest. Once you've identified a suitable investment opportunity, invest the desired amount through the platform. Some platforms may have minimum investment requirements. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your real estate investments through the platform's dashboard. Monitor property performance, rental income, and any distributions or returns generated from your investments. Diversify. Consider diversifying your investments across multiple properties or projects to spread risk and optimize returns.